friends, welcome back to my channel. The most interesting topic. Our today's topic is about sound. So let's begin our today's episode. Allow me to introduce my cousin.
Hi friends, I am Vaishnavi. So today I came here instead of Nitish. So let's go on to the topic. First question in all of us is, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy produced by a vibrating body. It is transmitted as the waves. So let's go on to the basics of sound. All through the day, we hear different types of sound: honking of vehicles, criping of birds, ringing of phones, and so on. Most of our communications happen through sounds we produce while we speak and listen. How sound is produced? Touch a sound box of a music system at your home when switched off. You will feel nothing. Now switch it on and turn up the system to full volume. Stand in front of the speakers. You will feel the vibrations of the music. So, you see, sound is produced by the vibrations of the body. Friends, do you know how sound travels? Sound travels in a medium or a substance that allows sound waves to travel through it. Where there is no medium, no sound can be transmitted. Speed at which sound travels from one place to another depends upon the medium, how closely packed the molecules are in the matter. Of the three mediums, solid, liquid and gas, sound waves travel the lowest through gases, faster through liquids and fastest through solids. The next one is about the characteristics of sound. So let's go on. Sound has three main characteristics: pitch, which is determined by the frequency of a sound waves; loudness, which is determined by the amplitude of a sound waves; and quality, which is determined by the source of the sound. Friends, do you know how we produce sound? There is a box-like structure called larynx in our throat, made up of tissues, and it is also called as voice box. Put your fingers on your throat and swallow your saliva. You will feel a hard bump which moves with swallowing. This is voice box. Okay, next about how we hear. Sound waves travel into the ear canal until they reach the eardrum. The eardrum passes to the middle ear bones or ossicles into the inner ear. The inner ear is shaped like a snail and is also called as cochlea. Friends, the next one is about the musical instruments. Different kinds of sounds may produce different effects on us. Music is something which all would love to hear. Let us take a look at some common musical instruments that have been developed over years. So first, let's start with percussion. A percussion of musical instruments is played by striking. Examples are the tabla and the drum. All of these instruments have a taut membrane tightly stretched across the mouth of a hollow cylindrical body. Next, wind instruments. The flute or mouth organ are some examples of wind instruments. The air column within the tube of the instrument is made to vibrate by blowing in. This produces sound. The next one is about the string instrument. Violin, sitar, and guitars are some string instruments. String instruments produce sound through vibrating strings. These strings transfer the vibration through the air. The strings are stretched across a hollow box. When the strings are made to vibrate, the air inside the box is also set to vibrate and produce sound. The next one is about the audible and inaudible sounds. You know that the sound we hear is produced by a vibrating body, but can we hear all the sounds produced by any vibrating body? Not all sounds are audible to human beings. The audibility of a sound depends on the number of vibrations per second or the frequency. A sound with a frequency less than 20 per second or 20 Hz is not audible to our ears. The next one is about noise. Friends, what is noise? It's any sound which interferes with the activities, conversations, and rest. A given sound may be music or amusement for one person and noise for another one. An unpleasant and irregular sound is called a noise. The difference between sound and noise depends upon the listener and circumstances. Next one is about noise pollution. A noise is a recognized form of pollution, but is difficult to measure because of annoyance and discomfort caused varies between individuals. Loud sounds, usually above 90 dB, cause noise pollution. Some harmful effects of noise pollution. Listening through stereo and headphones at high volume would also be harmful. Sound having loudness above 120 dB becomes painful, above 150 dB can be stressful. Noise may cause many health-related problems like high blood pressure, headache, irritation, and disturbed sleep. Let's see our last topic, that is how to control noise pollution. There are many methods of controlling noise pollution. Let's see some of the methods. The industries must be built away from the residential areas. Traffic must be reduced near the residential areas, schools, and hospitals. Usage of loudspeakers should be restricted. General public should be educated through films and newspapers about the harmful effects of noise pollution.
Okay friends, if you're satisfied with our explanation, then please like this video and other videos. Thanks for watching. Friends, please share and subscribe and press bell icon to get notifications.